Good day everyone. We are the group 2 and our topic for today it's all about the speech of Corazon Aquino. The speech of Corazon Aquino. This speech was delivered by President Corazon Aquino before the US Congress in 1986. In this speech, he talked about the struggle of the Filipino people to restore democracy and freedom after years of dictatorship. Background of the speaker. Corazon Aquino was a simple housewife before entering politics. She became a leader after the death of her husband, Benigno Aquino Jr., and later became the first female president of the Philippines. Purpose of the speech. The purpose of her speech was to ask for support from the United States and to show that the Philippines was rebuilding its democracy. She also wanted to inspire trust in her new government. National Awakening. This part talks about how Filipinos become aware of the importance of the freedom. People started to unite and stand up against oppression and injustice. Life under dictatorship. During the dictatorship of Ferdinand Marcos, many Filipinos experienced fear, lack of freedom, and human rights violation. The government controlled many aspects of people's lives.
Ninoy's imprisonment. Benigno Aquino Jr., also known as Ninoy, was imprisoned because he opposed the Marcos government. Despite being in jail, he remained strong in fighting for democracy. Hunger strike and fate. Ninoy went on a hunger strike to protest against injustice. This showed his strong belief and willingness to sacrifice for the country, even risking his own life. Refusal to compromise. Ninoy refused to give up his principle even pressured by government. He chooses to stand firm in his belief instead of compromising his value. Assassination of Ninoy. When Ninoy returned to the Philippines, he was assassinated at the airport. His death shocked the nation and became a turning point in the fight for freedom. Rise of opposition. After Ninoy's death, more Filipinos began to oppose the Marcos regime. Many groups united to demand change and justice.
1984 parliamentary election. In the 1984 elections, opposition leaders gained more support. This showed that people were starting to lose trust in the government and wanted change. 1986 snap election. The snap election in 1986 was called by Marcos, but it was full of controversies and allegations of cheating. Corazon Aquino ran as the main opposition candidate. People Power Revolution. The People Power Revolution was a peaceful protest where millions of Filipinos gathered to demand Marcos to step down. It showed unity and courage of the people. Aquino's victory. Corazon Aquino was recognized as the rightful winner of the election. She became the president after Marcos left the country. Restoration of democracy. After Aquino became president, democracy was restored in the Philippines. Freedom of speech, fair elections, and human rights were brought back. Challenge of the new government. Even after victory, Aquino faced many challenges like rebuilding the economy, restoring trust in the government, and maintaining peace and stability.